welcome to Vlogmas day 8. So today I have been in the house literally all day. Ain't left, ain't went nowhere, nothing. Just been working at home, chilling, all that good stuff. So I haven't been feeling good for the past couple days. So the house is like a wreck. Babe finally got the new TV put up there. I'm about to watch some YouTube. And it's just a hot mess in here. So we're about to clean and get this together. And I'm about to cook. So I'm going to take y'all along with me. That's what Vlogmas is all about. Y'all seeing what we're doing every day. If you hear the dryer going in the background, that's because I'm doing laundry as well. Oh, at the end of this vlog, you're going to see how I got this carpet clean over here. I wanted to show you guys what I used. This right here is what I use, you guys, and it is the truth, okay? Like, I don't have any pets, but like this floor is so light and it gets dirty. And it cleans it up so good. So you're gonna see a little bit of that. I will try and link it down below for you guys. But yes, it works really, really good. Hey y'all, so real quick, I wanted to come on here and show you guys the candles that I got, because I don't think I did in the last vlog. So I got some marshmallow fireside. This is like one of my favorites. Love the packaging. I got duplicates because I love those. Champagne toast. This is peach Bellini. Love, love, love that packaging. This one is vanilla bean. And then another peach Bellini. Another marshmallow fireside. And a mahogany teakwood high intensity. Gotta have this. And I may have mixed up, because I thought I had another one of those, but I had my mom's candles in here too, so I didn't really get too many because I still had candles left over. But I just want to show y'all real quick. These are my go-to flavors or scents that I get, and I love this bag. Love this bag.
Very Merry Christmas, a joyful to you.
Now, y'all seen the before, right? Look at this, and I've only been doing it, I don't even know how long. But we used that much water, and ooh, look how dirty it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, y'all. This is the cleanest I done seen this child. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas day 8. The house is back together again, like how it's supposed to be, honey. I got everything done, praise the Lord. So anywho, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 9. Bye.
would.